Upgrading your home with new windows and doors is an exciting step toward improving comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. If you're planning a windows and doors installation in Dallas, understanding the process ahead of time can help you feel more confident and prepared. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, knowing what to expect ensures a smooth and stress-free experience. The process typically begins with an in-home consultation. During this stage, a professional will assess your current windows and doors, take measurements, and discuss your goals. Whether you're focused on improving energy efficiency, enhancing curb appeal, or upgrading functionality, this is the time to explore your options. You'll also choose materials, styles, and finishes that match your home's design and your personal preferences. Once the details are finalized, the project moves into the preparation phase. This includes ordering your custom windows and doors and scheduling the installation. On installation day, the team will prepare your home by protecting floors, furniture, and surrounding areas. Taking these precautions helps minimize disruption and keeps your space clean throughout the process. The next step is removing your old windows and doors. This is done carefully to avoid damage to your home's structure. Experienced installers will work efficiently while ensuring that surrounding walls and frames remain intact. Once the old units are removed, the openings are inspected for any signs of damage, such as rot or moisture issues. If any problems are found, they are addressed before moving forward to ensure a solid foundation for the new installation. Installing the new windows and doors is a precise process. Each unit is carefully positioned, leveled, and secured to ensure a perfect fit. Proper alignment is essential for smooth operation and long-term performance. High-quality sealants and insulation materials are then applied around the frames to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. In Dallas, where temperatures can fluctuate, this step is especially important for maintaining indoor comfort. After the installation, finishing touches are added. This may include trim work, sealing edges, and ensuring that all components are properly fitted. The goal is to create a clean, polished look that blends seamlessly with your home's interior and exterior. Installers will also test each window and door to make sure they open, close, and lock correctly. One of the biggest benefits you'll notice right away is improved energy efficiency. Modern windows and doors are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping keep your home cooler during Dallas's hot summers and more comfortable during cooler months. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor temperature throughout your home. You'll also experience enhanced comfort. Drafts and uneven temperatures are common with older windows and doors, but new installations provide better insulation and sealing. This creates a more stable indoor environment, making every room in your home more enjoyable. Noise reduction is another advantage. New windows and doors with improved sealing and multiple panes of glass help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living space. This can be especially beneficial if you live in a busy area or near high-traffic roads. Security is also improved with modern installations. New doors and windows come with updated locking systems and stronger materials, providing better protection for your home and family. Knowing your home is more secure adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Before the project is completed, a final inspection is conducted. The installation team will review their work, ensure everything meets quality standards, and clean up the work area. They may also provide guidance on how to care for your new windows and doors to keep them performing well over time. In the end, a windows and doors installation in Dallas is a valuable investment that enhances both the function and appearance of your home. By understanding each step of the process, you can approach your project with confidence and enjoy the long-term benefits of improved comfort, efficiency, and style.